Okay, here's a cicada. Somewhere over here. It's walking behind under that. Oh, what's this? This is a frog of some sort, Mary. See this frog here? He's a wood frog. See in there? In my camera? He's right here. Oh yeah. Yeah. That was interesting. And there was a cicada that I saw walking under here. He went back in just a little further. Wow, but if we've seen that stuff right now, we'll see other stuff. Oh, interesting. We're walking on the Birchmoor Trail again. You remember all those videos of the Birchmoor Trail in the winter? We're alongside the wall. These things reached upward when it was raining. I guess these mushroom things reached upward when it was raining. Can you hear the cicadas? Or katydids?
That guy, John, said he had a snake in his tent. I was wondering if he wanted us to go get it out or something. Well, he was trying to take us out or something. I thought that was so bizarre. We ran into it the other day.